What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? Welcome to Dad Simply Cooking, where today we're doing something we haven't done in a while. I haven't been doing desserts. I'm going to be honest. I haven't. I've been cutting back, trying to do better. Or have I? I don't know. But I decided I was having an identity crisis today, and I was like, do I want brownies? Do I want cookies? Do I want brownies? Do I want cookies? What if we could just combine them and made a brookie? And that's what we're going to do. So, I got this big old roll here of cookie dough. It's the Nestle Toll House cookies. We're going to use this. And we're going to make some delicious brookies. So, make sure you hit the like button below and the subscribe. It's free. So I'm going to show you how to make some brookies, okay? It's simple and easy. Sure, they might have to go to therapy in the oven to try to figure out their identity. But we're not going to use this whole row because that'd be a bit insane. So I'm just going to cut it in half. Cookie dough. That's the video, y'all. I'm just going to take this. There we go. Bye. We're going to take this and we're just going to formulate it. I use parchment paper. Why? Because. And we're going to be like Adele rolling in the deep. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Plain and simple, y'all. Now I am using Chewy Fudge by Duncan Hines. Why? Because this was $1.78. It was on sale. Why not? Brownie mix into a bowl. Now we are not following the directions that are on the back of this box. Well, that's a lie. We kind of are. On the back of Duncan Hines, it says 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons of water, and 2/3 cup of vegetable oil. So, those eggs, and we got the oil. Oh my goodness! I dropped an egg, sissy. I dropped an egg. I wasted a whole 30 cents. I'm rather upset about. Bam. Oh no. Dos. And now 2/3 of canola oil, whatever kind of oil you have. Bada bing, bada boom. Oh, y'all. Oh. All right. And this is the simple part, y'all. We're making a brookie. All right, let's try that amount. Let me get my little spatula. Spread it out. Right now. Looky there, looky there, looky there. Now, I know you're probably thinking, now what, Dad? How do we go from here? Well, that's a good question. It's a good question. Just kidding. So you can go one or two ways. We can go a long way, but I'd rather go this way. So I'm going to slowly start to lift it up and press down like that. Lift up. Flip over. And then flip over. Just like that. Now fold kind of like that. And then we're just going to kind of roll it in that parchment. Now, set it in your freezer for about 30 minutes, and then we'll be back. Good, good. I have firm stick cookies for freezer. There, we have created Brookie cookie. I don't know who came up with the idea of the Brookie cookie. I'm not sure. Were they a genius? Possibly. Who doesn't love a cookie and a brownie together? I know I do. Prevalent at that point. So now what we're going to do is let's look at these. Look at that. Bam. I'll give them a bath. Oh, I'm excited about these. I've been thinking about them all day. I'm not going to lie. And I was like, you know what? I haven't done a video of a sweet dessert in a while. Why not? See? Good consistency. Consistency. And a quick 30 minutes in the oven. Made them turn out quite nice. I mean, you can't really beat that. I mean, it looks pretty good. Pretty deliciano. First batch in the oven. At this, these are perfect and meat, or to me anyways, Brookie cookies. You have a good brownie, the cookie ratio. I undercooked them a little bit just so they're still gooey and good. Mm. Mm. They're still gooey. A little undercooked, not too much though. Yummy, yummy in your tummy. All right, you heard that, y'all. Yummy, yummy in your tummy, tummy. So now you gotta make it. It's simple, it's easy, and it's good. Don't overcomplicate it. I've always wanted to make Brookie cookies, and I was a bit intimidated by it. Here, not so much now, not no more. So y'all, thank y'all for liking, commenting, subscribing. 700 and almost 60 subscribers. Y'all are blowing my mind. Blowing my mind. We cannot tell you how thankful we are for y'all. Comment and like and watching these videos. God bless you. Y'all stay safe.